Hello friends, how are you? Today I am showing the for loop example for you how to execute the for loop statement in PHP. So friends, this is the first example from my side how to define the for loop example to PHP. So I am starting the for loop example now. So before I am starting for loop example, I have to declare PHP starting and ending clause. Then I will just comment on that particular things. How to declare for loop statement. This is the most important things for learning any programming languages. So I am just giving this example in PHP, but you can see in any languages for loop statements. So friends, today I am sharing my for loop statement using PHP tutorials because I'm just sharing my PHP tutorial. That's why I'm just showing my for loop statement using PHP. So there is no difference between any other language how to declare the for loop statements. So friends, just declaring the particular for loop statements. Just see that particular $I equals to 0, and after that I have to just put the semicolon. It means that it is ending, and then I'm just giving the conditions $I less than equals to 10, and after that I just increment the loops $I plus plus, and thereafter I'm just declaring other variable the in for loops $j equals to 1, $j less than equals to $I, and $j increments. In these sections I'm just printing any type of strings, any type of integers, any type of ASCII codes, and we can see that particular things 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10s, and which I have print and particular thing it has been shown. So nice things that I just print on $j. I just print a particular $j. Just save it and send it. Just see that 1 1 2 1 1 1. That type of things is happening. So if I am just printing any string value, I think hi, save it on and just see that particular things. This is hi. I just implement the echo statement, echo hi, and thereafter I just implement the break statement. Now I have seen that particular things is high. A simple example I've given. I've just echo 1. Just save it. Now I've seen that once. If I've just omitted the particular parts, so I just echo 1. You can see that one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Because it means that I just less than equals to sign have declared. So just 1 is omitted and just result is shown in 10. And now if I use the $I, so I can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because I have already starting from the 0 and ending on the 9. And if I just putting equals to sign, so I can see that, or we can see that particular 10. This is a simple example for loop. I think you can understood the particular things. If you like my tutorial, so you can subscribe my channels for getting more videos in futures.